Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. In this video, you will see the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. Let's begin. Just I open the box. There is a back cover along with user manual and warranty card. This is user manual and warranty card. One smartphone is given, Samsung Galaxy A30. One USB cable is given. This is C type, that is fast charging is supported here. And one earphone is given. One charger wireless adapter is given. One SIM ejector tool is given. See the outer look of Samsung Galaxy A30. Triple camera on the back side is given. On the right side, volume lock keys and power keys are available. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.